Menteri Ketenaga PHI Marcos and Marak ulak kam ba kecing Pyntreikam ya ke Skhim JJM kalalong kebayat bet bat kam de ke kam ba bamsap. Menteri ulak ong ya kene hadin balami kecing syak keno ba penden kam bakla ha kebayat de bat ke Skhim JJM kabala Pyntreikam hapok Garo Hills.
You tell me how it can be called term as scam, because the implementation of JJM is very transparent. It is reflected in the dashboard also every day, and the method of payment is also very transparent. Um, Before making payments, now third party clearance has to be given, and that third party is a engineering group which is already empaneled by the government of Meghalaya. So that third party goes to every project, and they see the projects. If it is functioning, they give a nod green signal to the concerned contractor, and only after that the contractor will be able to get the payment. So tell me how it can be termed as scam. It is not. But the fact is that some of the projects are not completed till now because of some reasons. There were some land issues. There are some issues with NOCMA, some issues with the sometimes contractors themselves are also abandoning the work, probably reason best known to them. And that is why today I've had a meeting with Commissioner Secretary, Chief Engineer. I told them that, see, we cannot bear that. You give a clear instruction to the engineers in all the divisions that one contractor who is not doing the work, not carrying the work, give them a notice. And if on that notice also they're not acting, cancel them and then reallot them. So that's how we can complete the projects. It's not the scale. It's an engineering work, so it takes time. Some of the projects which uh, which needs cooperation from the community. If the cooperation is not given, then it takes time. It takes time to convince the society, convince the person concerned, and only after that the projects can start. So therefore, I totally don't agree with the term called scam. It's not a scam. It's a the projects are completing very successfully, and most of the projects are completing. Few projects are there. I agree. That projects we have already noted. Those projects are taken under retrofitting works. Those projects we need to rectify. We will try to rectify those projects only after the completion of JSM projects.